David Nalbandian has ventured into the world of rallying since retiring from professional tennis. David Nalbandian once reached a Wimbledon final and won the Paris Masters during his tennis career, but now has a very different profession. The 41-year-old, who climbed as high as third in the ATP singles rankings, scooped 11 titles during his 13-year tennis career spanning from 2000 to 2013. Nalbandian even defeated Roger Federer and Rafael Nadal on his way to winning the Paris Masters in 2007, which came 5 years after he lost to Lleyton Hewitt in the Wimbledon singles final. He hung up his racket a decade ago and has since forged a new career for himself after venturing into the world of motor racing in his native Argentina. The Unquillo native is a rally driver in the Argentine Rally Championship and has survived a number of scary crashes since taking up the sport in 2014. He cheated death 2 years ago when he walked away from a huge accident, which saw his car roll over 5 times before finally coming to a halt. Nalbandian was also involved in 2 other high-speed crashes, with the first one in 2015 leaving his car written off in a crumpled heap. The second crash happened a year later in San Justo during the Copa Maxi Rally, which is part of the national rally calendar. He even took part in a single World Rally Championship race behind the wheel of a Chevrolet Agile in the 4th round of the 2015 season. Another crash forced him to retire from the event, although he and his co-pilot managed to walk away unhurt. Speaking in 2016 about his decision to get into rallying after retiring from tennis, Nalbandian said, "Tennis was my job and racing is a hobby. It's very different. I don't have pressure here. I am learning and trying to do my best, but not as a professional." Nalbandian turned professional aged 18 and is the only Argentinian tennis player in history to ever reach the semifinals or better at all 4 Grand Slam tournaments. Many tennis fans will remember him for an unsavory incident at Queen's Club back in 2012, when he kicked an advertising board which struck a line judge on the shin. The line judge was left bloodied and required hospital treatment, while the Metropolitan Police even investigated whether the incident could be classed as assault following a complaint to the force. Nalbandian was eventually fined £8,000 and docked 150 ranking points by the ATP due to his unsportsmanlike conduct.